Hey YouTubers, this is Gopher Bob on the Gopher Bob channel, and today we are doing a review on CitySet 60144, and this has 89 pieces and one minifig, and it came out in 2017. So that's the box. There we go. There's the race cones flying between. That's it, pretty much. Alright, let's have a look what's inside. Sticker sheet, as well as spare pieces. Okay, and you get an instruction manual, which is thus. Starts there, and ends right there. There's some advertising for fire sets, piece count, and more online stuff there. Okay, let's close that up. Okay, now that's right, we're gonna look at the minifig, the stunt pilot himself. Nice torso, nice painting on there, markings. Look, it is pretty nice and shiny. These jumpsuit on there, and printing on the back. Nothing on the nothing on the legs or the arms. Nothing on the helmet. He's got a nice face with sunglasses, of course, aviator's glasses, and a nice helmet. And okay, let's put that down now. The plane itself, looking pretty good. Yes, sticker there on the tail, one on the other side. Yes, sticker there, one there, one on the other side, and one there, if you can see that, as well as one there, sticker. Okay, so a lot of stickers, no printed pieces. Undercarriage, it's looking alright. So yeah, nice wing design, nice colors with the yellow and the red. Definitely. I don't know about this though. Yeah, look, I was a little bit iffy about it. Look at the gaps in there. But I suppose for what it is, for a $9 plane, can't really complain. It's yeah, it would have been good some pieces in there maybe to fill that in, but yeah, not to worry. All right, let's do a comparison, shall we? And we will do a comparison on a stunt plane, one that I just did. There it is there. I did a review on that. Side by side, yes, bigger wingspan. You get more pieces in this one. It costs a little bit more as well. Similar colors maybe. It's yellow and black. There's no white on that one, but definitely the red fuselage. Similar, same size propeller. Probably, a bit more detail in the engine here. Air intake there, as compared to that. The landing gear, similar. Well, probably not. A little bit different. Yeah, probably a bit more. They cost a bit more than that. Yeah, this is obviously a bigger piece count. Obviously, because you get, service car with that, but you don't get anything with that. So it's, I liked this plane when it came out, and I was a bit hesitant on this one, but I like it as well. It's growing on me. It's not bad. Definitely, it's not bad. It's they both got both got stickers, that's for sure. So this comes with 2 minifigs, that comes with 1. But look, you know, it's cost variation, that's what it is really. One's a stunt plane and one's a race plane. So yeah, that's really it, guys. But anyway, that's the comparison I've done. Came out in 2013, this one, and has the piece count. Well, of course, it's going to be less. The piece count, 140 pieces and 2 minifigs. Now, 140 pieces would include the car here. So you could be much and much. If this is 89 pieces, right? Yeah, if that's 89 pieces, well, okay, you got minifig as well. You know, you take 20 odd pieces from that. Yeah, look, it's gonna be maybe about, yeah, I don't know, 30 pieces difference. $9 as compared to probably what, 20 odd for that. Better value with that for piece count, but still, anyway, that's the way it is. All right, there's my comparison. I like them both. I think they're both gonna be in my airport in the city, and yeah, they're both cool. Different markings. Okay, apart from that, the gaps there, not as much as that though. They covered that one in. See, there's no gaps. Not the same gaps as there is there. That's big gaps in that one. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and we will catch you next time on the Go for Bob channel. Bye.